Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to prove that 0.999 is equals to 1. What do you think? Is it possible? So let's try. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. 0.999 is equals to 1. So I am going to assume that let x is equals to 0.999 and I'm consider this as equation number 1. Now I'm going to multiply by 10 both sides. So 10x is equals to, when we multiply 0.999 with, there is and so on here, with 10, so it becomes 9.999 so on. I'm considering this as equation number 2, subtracting equation 2 from first. So 10x minus x is equals to 9.999 so on minus 0.999. Now 10x minus x is 9x is equals to 9 minus 0 is 9 and the decimal places will subtract it from their self. So it is equals to 9. Now I am divide both sides by 9. So x is equals to 1. Yes, we have proved that 0.999 and so on is equals to 1. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to that question, you can comment on your question. Thank you so much.